Hi, my name is Dr. Matthew Hale, and if you're watching this, you're most likely enrolled in CST 1010 Fundamentals of Public Speaking for Fall 2021. So first off, I just want to say hi. Hi. Second, I want to welcome you to class. I look forward to working with each of you this semester and thereafter, hopefully. Third, do me a favor, subscribe to this channel. If you're watching this video on YouTube, go to the bottom right-hand corner of the video and please click on that subscribe button. If you're watching this video in Blackboard, you'll probably need to click the YouTube button to open this video in a separate window, then click subscribe and so on. I'll be creating and posting original content on this channel throughout the semester so you can follow along if you're subscribed. I'm a new faculty member here at University of Detroit Mercy, so it's very likely that you've never had a chance to meet me, nor I you. So I just wanted to record this quick welcome message to let you know how excited I am to have you in class and to be joining the Department of Communication Studies at UDM. And finally, I know a lot of people dread public speaking and hate the thought of taking a public speaking course. I get it, but I think you'll actually enjoy this class. It's going to be very practical, hands-on, and I think you're going to learn a lot of useful skills and techniques that will help you to land a job, to do well in an interview, to lead a meeting, or to do a demo, and to impress your friends and dismay your enemies. And that's what it's all about. So thanks for being in class. Welcome. Why'd you stop? Weird.